In recent times, we have heard about lot of events of cloud bursts. बहुत heavy rainfall results in flash floods, landslides, and also urban flooding. So cloud bursts है क्या? IMD का classification है कि अगर किसी area में there is more than 100 mm of rainfall in about 1 hour, in a smaller area approximately about 20-30 square kilometers, is called as cloud burst. It's what that name is obvious. It's like the clouds are bursting and therefore a very very heavy rainfall. Cloud burst एक phenomena है. इसके अलावा IMD के पास एक और classification है in terms of rainfall intensity. They classify rainfall as light rain, moderate rain, heavy rain, very heavy rain and extremely heavy rain. In fact, any rainfall जो 24 घंटे में 24 hours में if it's more than 115.6 mm to about 204.4 mm, it's called as heavy rainfall. And अगर rainfall is more than 204.4 mm in 24 hours is called as extremely heavy rainfall. ये काफी सारे terms newspaper में use हो रहे हैं and it kind of describe the type of rainfall conditions we have this year. Now the question is, why do we have cloud bursts? So do remember to differentiate what's a cloud burst, 100 mm rainfall in less than 1 hour, compared to what is extremely heavy rainfall, which is 204.4 mm in 24 hours. ये दो अलग चीज है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करिएगा. इसके अलावा an important discussion is what are cloud bursts और होते कैसे हैं. So जब cloud burst की बात होती है, essentially it's a very fast convection system. Air rises very fast, form clouds and rains. And cloud bursts अगर इंडिया में देखें, they are more common in the Himalayas, more common in the mountain regions. लद्दाख में हुआ है, जम्मू कश्मीर में हुआ है, हिमाचल में हुआ है. We've had cloud bursts in parts of Punjab also, but the hill regions are more susceptible. सिक्किम में भी हुआ है cloud burst. Generally हमारा जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है क्लाइमेट के बारे में, we understand जहाँ पर बहुत गर्मी होती है, the land is very hot, the air rises tremendously very fast and we have heavy rainfall. जैसे कि प्री मानसून शावर्स होते हैं इन पार्ट्स ऑफ नदर्न प्लेन्स, यूपी पे, राजस्थान में, कर्नाटक में, we call those as प्री मानसून थंडर स्टॉर्म्स. जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ क्लाउड बर्स्ट की इन द माउंटेन रीजन, ये बहुत अलग है. And the surprising thing is the mountains are not very hot. Mountains are not as high temperatures as northern plains in summers. So why do we have cloud burst the mountains? इसका most important reason ये होता है that in general there is global warming. Global warming because of which the mountains have also become warm. इसके अलावा in the monsoon months when the winds are coming towards the plains from the coast, ये जब साउथ वेस्ट मानसून विंड्स हैं, बे ऑफ बंगाल के हैं, अरेबियन सी के हैं, जब ये एंटर करते हैं टुवर्ड्स अदर प्लेन्स, दे हिट द हिमालयाज एंड दे स्टार्ट राइजिंग. So these winds were coming from the coast. They already have lot of moisture. So ये winds में moisture है. Mountains में already we have warming conditions. So mountains are unstable already. And the winds, because the mountain is pushed upwards. And all of this together, very, very moist winds, lot of moisture, it's forced to rise up, form clouds and cause rains. I've been asked this question repeated in the class, why do we have cloud bursts in the mountains? Otherwise, mountains are not as hot. The mountains should not have strong convection activity. तो यहाँ पर reason essentially है, the mountains are pushing the winds upwards. And what type of winds? These winds are rain-bearing systems. The winds have lot of moisture. उसके ऊपर में the warming conditions of the mountains because of climate change, ये सब together they force the upliftment and they have cloud bursts. Keep watching my videos for these kind of geographical phenomena to understand why these important events have some geographical basis as a part of understanding rainfall and climatic conditions of India.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabir Sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module-based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.